The world of reality TV has always been fascinated with transformation stories, and few have captured the hearts of audiences as much as TLC's hit series 1000 LB Sisters. Over the years, viewers have followed the Slayton family through extraordinary highs, crushing lows, and deeply personal milestones. From the early days of Tammy and Amy Slayton confronting life-threatening obesity, to their recent health triumphs, the show has chronicled not just weight loss, but entire lifestyle overhauls. Now, one of the series' most trusted medical figures, Dr. Eric Smith, is offering rare insight into the exact approach he believes ensures safe and successful plastic surgery outcomes, an approach he says has worked wonders for cast members like Chris Combs and Tammy Slayton. Fans know Drive. Eric Smith is the calm, compassionate bariatric surgeon who has been guiding the Slaytons on their weight loss journeys for years. While much of his expertise on the show focuses on gastric surgery and post-op care, he's now speaking openly about a lesser discussed yet equally critical part of the process, plastic surgery after massive weight loss. For many people who've shed hundreds of pounds, excess skin is not just a cosmetic concern but a serious medical one. Skin folds can harbor infections, cause rashes, and impact mobility, leading patients to seek reconstructive procedures. According to Dr. Smith, the right approach to plastic surgery after major weight loss is a delicate balance between medical necessity, safety precautions, and emotional readiness. He stresses that rushing into skin removal procedures without proper preparation can lead to complications, both physically and psychologically. In recent seasons of 1000 LB Sisters, viewers saw Chris Combs proudly reveal his slimmer figure and openly discuss his decision to undergo excess skin removal surgery. Similarly, Tammy Slayton, who stunned fans with her dramatic weight loss after bariatric surgery and Ahab, has hinted at her own interest in taking the next step toward body contouring. Dr. Smith's new insights provide a behind-the-scenes look at how he advises patients like them before they head into the operating room. One of the key points he makes is that plastic surgery should never be treated as a quick fix or purely aesthetic choice. For weight loss patients, especially those who began their journeys at extreme obesity levels, there are unique risks that must be addressed. Nutritional deficiencies, healing challenges, and the strain on the body from prior surgeries all factor into whether a patient is truly ready for another major procedure. Dr. Smith says that the first step toward a safe plastic surgery outcome is ensuring the patient's health is fully stabilized after their initial weight loss. This means confirming that the patient's weight has plateaued, their blood work shows no major deficiencies, and they've maintained consistent healthy habits for at least 6 months. He points out that many people underestimate how physically taxing skin removal surgery can be, sometimes rivaling the difficulty of their initial bariatric operation. In Chris Combs' case, his steady weight maintenance, improved stamina, and commitment to his health routine made him an ideal candidate. Tammy, on the other hand, has been undergoing careful evaluation to ensure she is physically strong enough to recover safely. Another critical factor Drive. Smith emphasizes as realistic expectations. Post-weight loss plastic surgery can yield life-changing results, but it also comes with scars, SW, and a challenging recovery process. He urges patients to understand that they are trading one set of challenges, excess skin, for another, which may include pain, limited mobility for weeks, and strict aftercare requirements. He recalls conversations with Chris before his surgery, where they discussed exactly what kind of results he could expect and what his body would realistically look like after healing. This kind of honesty, Dr. Smith says, is essential for emotional preparedness and long-term satisfaction. Beyond the physical and emotional readiness, Dr. Smith's third major point is selecting the right surgical team. He warns that not all plastic surgeons have experience with massive weight loss patients, whose needs differ greatly from typical cosmetic surgery clients. Excess skin removal often requires more extensive incisions, longer operating times, and a deeper understanding of the patient's medical history. For this reason, he advises seeking board-certified surgeons with a proven track record in post-bariatric body contouring. Chris was fortunate to have access to a skilled surgical team that understood these nuances, ensuring his procedure was not only successful but also as safe as possible. Tammy, known for her resilience and determination, has also been considering her options carefully, working close lie with Dr. Smith to find the right specialists. Fans have been particularly eager to see Tammy's transformation after plastic surgery, as her weight loss has already been one of the most dramatic in reality TV history. Dr. Smith acknowledges that her journey has been nothing short of inspiring, but he remains cautious, prioritizing her long-term health over fast results. He has publicly praised her for sticking to her healthy habits, even after achieving such massive weight loss, noting that this discipline will serve her well when she eventually undergoes her own body contouring procedures. The topic of plastic surgery has sparked debates among 1000 LB Sisters fans. Some believe it's the natural next step in the transformation process, while others worry about the risks, especially for patients who have ALR. Endured years of medical challenges. Dr. Smith's approach seems to bridge both sides of the discussion, celebrating the potential benefits while never downplaying the importance of safety. His recent statements have also resonated with fans outside of the show, as his advice applies to anyone considering plastic surgery after significant weight changes. The reality is that, for many post-weight loss patients, these surgeries can be life-changing not just cosmetically but functionally, improving mobility, comfort, and self-esteem. As for Chris Combs, his surgery has allowed him to enjoy activities he once thought impossible. He's been more active, more confident, and more open with fans about his health journey. Tammy Slaton, meanwhile, continues to impress viewers with her determination, making it clear that she's in this for the long haul. Dr. Smith's role in their lives, both on and off camera, underscores the importance of having a medical team that truly understands the physical and emotional dimensions of such a profound transformation. In the end, Dr. Smith's message to 1000 LB Sisters viewer and anyone considering plastic surgery after major weight loss is clear: focus on health first, set realistic expectations, and choose your surgical team wisely. These three principles, which he's seen work for patients like Chris and Tammy, can make the difference between a successful transformation and a risky gamble. As fans eagerly await the next chapter in the Slaton family's journeys, one thing is certain: their stories, guided by experts like Dr. Eric Smith, will continue to inspire and educate on what it truly takes to reclaim your life after extreme obesity. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.